How do you play guitar?
Third string right here. Put your third finger on this third string right here, and then like that. Like that.
And why do you do that?
Chicks love it. Chicks. Chicks.
What else did Daddy show you?
That's all he needs to know. Yes, he's played G chord. That's all he needs to know.
Over there. Over there. Right there. Stop. Now do it. What did Daddy show you? What did he show you what to do?
Teaching him right. Chicks.
Okay.
Wait, are you going to send it to anyone?
No.
Wait, are you still recording? Hey!
You like the camera.
Oh! Uh-huh!
That's what I thought. No one wants to see that.